evening, students. Welcome back to class. Tomorrow we have social exam. Before going to write exam, once all of you listen this class. Yes, today we are going to discuss about the second chapter from geography, that is globe, latitudes and longitudes. Okay, first of all, what is globe? Globe is a true model of Earth. If you observe the globe, it is exactly look like our Earth. On the globe, we will observe some horizontal lines and vertical lines. Okay, what are these horizontal lines and what are these vertical lines? What is the use of those lines? We are going to discuss in this lesson. Okay, first the horizontal lines. Some lines we drawn on the earth horizontally. Okay, what we call these lines? These lines called as a latitudes. Okay, these are not lines, actually these are the circles. Okay, yeah, here if you observe this red line or a red circle, it is passing through the center of the earth. Okay, the line which is passing through the center of the earth, that line called as a equator. That line called as equator. And this equator dividing earth into two equal parts. The part which is lies in the north side, that is called as a northern hemisphere. The part which is lies in the south side, that part called as a southern hemisphere. Okay, already I told you, these are the not lines, these are the circles. Okay, those circles called as a latitudes. And these latitudes we are measuring in degrees. That's why these equator indicate with 0 degrees. 0 degrees. And this equator is the longest latitude among all latitudes. And this is dividing earth into two equal parts. And this is indicated with 0 degrees. Okay, yeah, here we have to be know about some important latitudes. What are the some important latitudes? Look at here. Here this is a 0 degree latitude, that is called as a equator. And this is a northern hemisphere, this is a southern hemisphere. Here you are observing 23 and of north latitude. 23 and of degrees north latitude. This latitude called as a tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. And this is the 66 and of north latitude. This is called as a Arctic Circle. Same like as here at the pole, with this, we are indicating with 90 degrees. That 90 degree called as a North Pole. This lesson is already completed for A section students. B section student is not completed for you. So once listen this class. And I will clearly explain the class. Just tomorrow you have exam, that's why once go through with this video. Okay. Here 0 degree latitude we call as a equator, and 23 and of north latitude we call as a tropic of Cancer, 66 and of north latitude we call as Arctic Circle, and 90 degrees north latitude we call as North Pole. Same in the southern hemisphere, 23 and of south latitude we call as a tropic of Capricorn. And 66 and of north latitude we call as Antarctic Circle. And 90 degrees south latitude we call as South Pole. Okay, I will share this PDF with you. Once read this PDF. Okay, you may get some idea. Right. These are the some important latitudes. Okay, these are all parallel circles. The distance between any two latitude is same at anywhere. Okay, same at any place. Okay, you have to be remember these 7 latitude names. Okay, right. Like as same the vertical lines which are drawn on our earth, those vertical lines called as a longitudes. Longitudes. And these are the semicircles. These are not a complete circle, these are the half circles. Okay, these are total, there are total 360 longitudes are there. How many longitudes? 360. And in here only 180 latitudes are there. The longest latitude is equator here. And here also this red line we call as a Greenwich longitude. This is here we are indicating with a 0 degrees and it is called as a Greenwich. Okay, and this is called as a meridian, 0 degree meridian also. 0 degree, it is not working properly, 0 degree meridian. Okay, right. These are the vertical lines called as a longitude and horizontal lines called as a latitudes. Now we are going to read about some heat zones. Wait. Yes. Heat zones of the earth. Here, what are these heat zones? Here, sun always rises in between 23.5 north latitude and 23.5 south latitude. In between these two latitudes. Yes. In between these two latitudes. That's why the place which is bounded with these two latitudes, this place, this red color place, it will get more sunlight from the sun. Okay, that's why it is called as a torrid zone. What we call? It is called as a torrid zone. Here, torrid zone. Torrid zone lies in between 23.5 north latitude and 23.5 south latitude. Otherwise, it lies in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, the place in between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. Here, observe here in northern hemisphere. This place. When we compare with this torrid zone, this place it will receive a moderate sunlight from sun. Moderate sunlight from sun. That's why it is called as a temperate zone. Temperate zone. Temperate zone lies in between. In northern hemisphere, it lies in between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. In southern hemisphere, it lies in between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. This place called as a temperate zone. And this place in between 66.5 north latitude and 90 degrees. This place receive very less sunlight from the sun. Why it is receive less sunlight? I will explain in next chapter. Here we didn't have time, that's why just I am telling important points. I will clearly explain all the things in the class. Just remember these things, that's it. Yes, this place called as a freezed zone. Freezed zone. Why? Because this place it is receive less sunlight from sun. That's why this place is filled with ice. Filled with ice. That's why we are calling as a frigid zone. Okay, right? Frigid zone. This is a temperate zone. This is torrid zone. Okay. Now, once all of you listen once again carefully, the place in between a tropic of Cancer and a tropic of Capricorn, that is called as a torrid zone. The place in between a Arctic Circle and a tropic of Cancer in northern hemisphere, that is called as a temperate zone. And the place in between a 66 and half north latitude and 90 degrees north latitude, that is called as frigid zone. Frigid zone always lies at poles. Okay, right? All of you once listen this class, and if you have any doubt, ask me. Tomorrow you have exam. That's why once listen this class. Okay.